Hi, my name is Evelyn from Amity Global Institute. I've just finished my internship in my diploma program and is coming back to Amity to further studies in the Advanced Diploma in Hospitality and Operations Management program. I was very grateful for the full-time offer, but I chose to further my studies because I believe a strong academic foundation will support my long-term career growth, especially if I want to take on leadership roles in the future. I think what helped me stand out was my positive attitude and consistency. I was open to feedback, willing to help during high occupancy periods, and always eager to learn beyond my assigned tasks. Over time, this built trust with my supervisors. Amity gave me the theoretical foundation I needed, service etiquette and operation standards. This helped me apply what I learned and adjust quickly without feeling overwhelmed in a real work environment. My advice would be to treat your internship as the start of your career. Be proactive, ask questions, take responsibility, and maintain a positive attitude. Ultimately, skills can be taught, but attitude is what truly sets you apart from most. Now that I am pursuing the advanced diploma and wearing a black blazer, it makes me feel more mature and professional. It reflects a higher level of responsibility, and I feel ready to step into the hospitality industry.